Hi everyone, I'm Alex, I'm an expert at Yandex Direct, and we've got some more handy tips about Yandex Direct. In this video, we'll discuss how you can reach users who may be interested in your app. The process is commonly referred to as reaching your target audience. Your target audience represents those users who may be interested in installing your app or performing a specific action within it, such as making a purchase. We'll also explore how you can target the right audience with your ads. Now I'll tell you about the Yandex mobile audience, which includes all the users who engage with Yandex services on a daily basis using mobile devices. And finally, we'll look at the common scenarios in advertising mobile apps, as well as methods for targeting the right audience with your ads. Here's a fun fact. Every day, more than 35 million device users from Russia enter their search queries in Yandex Search. The number of users who see ads in the Yandex Advertising Network is even higher. It's about 67 million. Moreover, the size of this mobile audience continues to grow month by month and year by year. This shows that users prefer to consume content on mobile devices. Interestingly, the overlap between the audiences of Yandex Search and the Yandex Advertising Network is only partial, which means that not all users who see ads on the internet use Yandex Search to find information. And that means that users who enter queries in Yandex Search may actually ignore advertising on other platforms. That's why it's very important to keep in mind both Yandex Search and the Yandex Advertising Network when promoting your app. Broadly speaking, we can drive mobile audiences either to a website or to a mobile app. If we're taking the user to a social network or messenger, then from the app architecture perspective, we're still directing them to either a mobile version of a web page or an app. This distinction is due to the differences between app and web architecture. Mobile app promotion is based on two main scenarios: attracting new users and retaining existing ones. Attracting new users refers to using advertising to expand the app's audience. In other words, this means increasing the number of new installs. In this case, we configure our ads for maximum reach. User engagement or retention involves working with the app's existing audience. For example, persuading app users to make repeat purchases. In this case, the ad is configured differently. We select a narrower audience to show our ads to. App ads have settings that allow us to adjust their reach. We can choose to show ads to the widest audience possible, or target a precisely defined segment. So, what mobile targeting capabilities does Yandex offer? For app ads, you can specify your desired display region. You can also select the ad platform, choosing to show your ads both in Yandex Search and in the Yandex Advertising Network, or on just one of these platforms. You can manually define the keywords and phrases for which you want to show your ads or restrict ad displays for specific negative keywords. You can also choose to only show ads to existing users of your app or to your customer base from a CRM system if you're using one. If you want to find users who are similar to your existing customers, app ads in Yandex offer this capability as well. App ads have configurable display regions which let you target a specific city or location, entire countries, or the whole world. All available display regions are displayed as a geographical structure. You can select your desired regions and exclude any unwanted regions. For example, you can exclude Vladivostok for an ad that targets users across Russia. In addition to display region, you can select ad platforms to only show your app ads to users who are searching for information in Yandex Search, or conversely, to all of the users of the Yandex Advertising Network. There's also a third option: serving ads to the audience of both Yandex Search and the Yandex Advertising Network. This targeting option allows you to reach a broader audience. However, in this case, we can't control the ratio of impressions that come from Yandex Search and the Yandex Advertising Network. Ad impressions are distributed between these platforms automatically. Another important capability for promoting your apps is the use of keywords and negative keywords. Let me clarify these terms. Keywords are words and phrases that must be included in the user's query for your ad to be displayed to them. Negative keywords are words and phrases in the query that will prevent your ad from being shown. How does it work? First, the user visits the mobile version of Yandex Search and enters a query that interests them. In response to that query, we can show them an advertising message. To do this, We predefine a list of keywords for which we want to show the ad, as well as a list of negative keywords for which we don't want to display it. Yandex Direct compares the user's search query against the keywords specified for the ad and displays the ad if there's a match. Targeting by keywords and negative keywords is most effective for advertisers in Yandex Search. Now, what capabilities are available for the Yandex Advertising Network? There's also other ways how the Yandex Advertising Network can target specific audiences with your ads besides target keywords. We can target users based on their available data, which should include a phone number or an email address. For instance, you can import this data from a CRM system. We can also show ads to users with similar behaviors to the uploaded sample. This allows us to expand our reach to a relevant audience. Let's wrap up. Both Yandex Search and the Yandex Advertising Network receive tens of millions of active mobile device users. Among all these users, we can identify the audience that may be interested in our mobile app. An ad click taking the user to a site and to an app are two distinct user scenarios. Some users are interested in visiting the site, while some want to install and use the app. So these two scenarios perfectly complement each other. App ads allow both targeting the widest possible audience and selecting a narrow group of users to whom you want to show an ad. The available targeting methods make this process highly flexible. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and find out how to get the most out of Yandex Direct.